Hello, my name is Isabella Messer. Today I'll be going over quiz 6, question 2 for Computer Science 110. So first I'll be using the helper function that I did from question 1, and I went ahead and just copied that down so that I wouldn't have to scroll or keep scrolling. So I just import the random molecule and I define my function, and then for the greater part of question 2, I go ahead and I define the variables in order to repeat, or for greater than 20 and less than or equal to 15. So I go ahead and define the variables so that they keep track of the dice rolls. So then I initiate a for loop range statement for 100 because we're going to be repeating the 4 dice rolls 100 times. And then we go ahead and I um, initialize a sum accumulator for when the condition is met, when it's greater than or greater than 20 incremented by 1, and then less than or equal to 15 incremented by 1 as well. So then I go ahead and I print these functions, and that's going to print the um, sum for each for the number of times that it was greater than 20 and the number of times that it was greater or that it was less than or equal to 15. So I'm going to go ahead and run this a few times just so it is proof that it's random at least. We can compare the results as well. So no, that's the exact same. That's funky. Yeah, so anyways, it's completely random. Sometimes it's the same. But it's important that we only use one for loop to repeat it 4 times in order or so that it's not repeating it like over and over and over and over and over again. So that it's just creating this sum, and that way we can see it more clearly. Anyway, so that's pretty much that, and thank you for watching.